Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. At the end of 2022, ChatGPT burst onto the scene, reaching 100 million users in just 2 months and making AI accessible through chat. More than 3 years later, it has reached 1 billion monthly active users, becoming the world's leading AI app and the fastest product in history to hit that milestone, ahead of super apps such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Yet OpenAI executives have now effectively declared the chat era over. With ChatGPT set for a major overhaul, the idea of a super AI application is about to be redefined. At its Intelligence at Work event on June 3rd, OpenAI announced that Codex, its programming tool, would be integrated into ChatGPT in the coming weeks. ChatGPT is evolving from a chat-based model into an agent platform. The OpenAI's core product lead said a super agent ecosystem is emerging, one that can support users across work and daily life, whether on mobile, desktop, the web, or even through voice while driving. Codex began as a programming agent, but it has since evolved far beyond a code-writing tool. In mid-April, OpenAI launched Codex for almost everything, adding more than 90 plugins that span every major developer and enterprise toolchain, including Jira, GitLab, Figma, Salesforce, and Microsoft Office. The June 7th update added 6 plugins for non-developer roles such as data analysts, marketers, sales teams, designers, and investment bankers, connecting 62 enterprise apps and 110 automation skills. Codex can now operate computers directly, viewing screens, clicking, and typing, while multiple agents run in parallel on one Mac. Through the ChatGPT app, users can also send commands and approvals to desktop Codex remotely, showing what a true agent can do. Why the update? Anthropic forced OpenAI's hand ChatGPT has 1 billion monthly active users, compared with Claude's 56 million, but Claude is stronger in the enterprise market. Third-party data shows Claude holds about 40% of enterprise large model spending, ahead of OpenAI's 27%. OpenAI realized that enterprise share and revenue are the real moat. Most ChatGPT users are free, while 2 million enterprise customers generate about 40% of its revenue. Claude's monthly active users grew 640%, 10 times. ChatGPT's rate. Launched in May 2025, Claude Code surpassed $1 billion in annualized revenue within 6 months and reached $2.5 billion by February 2026. In 2025, it released more than 170 updates and generated about 4% of public GitHub commits worldwide. Codex has surpassed 5 million weekly active users, up 6-fold since its February desktop launch. Its user base is expanding beyond programmers, with analysts, designers, and investment bankers growing twice as fast as developers. Codex now contributes 40% of OpenAI's revenue and could reach 50% by year-end. Compared with Claude Code, Codex offers a clear cost advantage. GPT 5.5 with Codex can deliver similar quality results at about 1/3 the token cost. Anthropic higher pricing and occasional account bans have pushed many users toward Codex, while ChatGPT's 1 billion user base gives OpenAI a traffic advantage Anthropic cannot quickly match. Let ChatGPT drive traffic to Codex with the most capable agent paired with the largest traffic entry point. With this punch, it will surpass Anthropic in momentum. Claude Code is only a matter of time. Merging Codex into ChatGPT is only the first step in OpenAI's larger strategy. Its next key asset is Atlas, a browser designed to give ChatGPT direct access to the web. With Atlas, ChatGPT can create content, connect online, and complete tasks in real web environments instead of simply offering advice in a chat box. Together, ChatGPT, Codex, and Atlas form OpenAI's 3-stage rocket. ChatGPT brings traffic, Codex executes tasks and drives revenue, and Atlas connects the system to real-world information flows. For whom is this story meant? The capital markets, of course. OpenAI is preparing for an IPO around September, with a target valuation approaching $1 trillion. A product limited to a chat window cannot justify that figure, but a super AI ecosystem that spans workflows, enterprise apps, and autonomous execution tells a far more compelling story. 3 years ago, ChatGPT changed the world through a simple chat box. 3 years later, OpenAI has ended the chat era and is betting on something larger, the gateway to artificial general intelligence. What AI news are you most excited or concerned about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.